Concorde Shoulder Immobilizer application instructions. Applying the sling and external rotation bar. The Concorde comes packaged with 4 parts: the sling and shoulder strap, the waist belt with attached external rotation bar and support arm, the hand positioning ball, and the abduction bar, which will not be used in this application. Applying the waist belt and external rotation bar. Place the waist belt on the patient where the bar is at the same level as the patient's forearm when the elbow is bent to 90 degrees. Mold the bar to fit the shape of the patient's torso and wrap the strap around the back to connect the buckle. Tighten the strap and trim if necessary. Now adjust the position of the external rotation bar to the desired angle. Bend the support arm back, then bend the end of the support bar forward and attach the external rotation bar onto the Velcro strip. Applying the sling. Now fit the sling to the patient's arm. Place the patient's arm into the sling pouch and attach the 2 straps around the forearm to secure the top. Wrap the shoulder strap around the opposite shoulder and secure the buckle to the sling. To adjust the placement of the shoulder pad, detach the strap and reposition the pad as needed. If necessary, adjust the length of the sling by rolling the distal end back and then securing it with the Velcro tabs. Now attach the sling to the bar. Adjust the length of the shoulder strap and position of the pad as necessary for comfort and proper fit.